In this video, you are going to be asked to rank your favorite rappers on a tier list. Keep track of your choices and then share them with us in the comments. Let's get started. First, rank Drake. Next up is Eminem. Rank Jay-Z next. Where does Lil Wayne rank? Next, we have Cardi B. Give Kendrick Lamar a ranking. Would Kanye West rank high on your list? Where does Snoop Dogg rank? How about J. Cole now? Where do you rank 50 Cent? Next, we have Future. Would you rank Tupac Shakur near the top or bottom? Next is Nicki Minaj. Rank her. Where does Dr. Dre rank? How about Ice Cube next? Next, Travis Scott. Rank the Notorious B.I.G. next. Next, we have Tyler, the Creator. Whereabouts does Lil Baby rank for you? Next, Young Boy, Never Broke Again. Next up is DaBaby. Rank 21 Savage. Is Ludacris high or low on your tier list? Next, rank Post Malone. How about LL Cool J next? Where does DMX rank for you? Next, we have Lil Uzi Vert. What about ASAP Rocky? Give Wiz Khalifa a ranking. How about Juice WRLD? Rank him. Next, Young Thug. How about rank Roddy Ricch? Where do you put Busta Rhymes? Where does Tyga rank on your list? Rank Logic. Next we have Nelly. Is T.I. high or low on the tier list? Up next, Lauryn Hill. Tech N9ne, rank him. Where does Nas rank? Now we have Megan Thee Stallion. Next we have 6ix9ine. Give Polo G a ranking. Rank Quavo next. Would Doja Cat rank higher or lower? Next is Lil Nas X. Rank Kodak Black. Where does Trippie Redd rank? How about Bad Bunny next? Where are you ranking Saweetie? Post your choices below in the comments for everyone to see. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for playing.